what actually made you physically get into a thing with Honormasity?
Yeah, well, with Sting, if people come to see war.
Would you do a rematch with Coyote?
My duppy. Would I do a rematch, you know? But big food have to run. The fight real, you know, isn't it? And the fans them see it. So me have to big up Demarco. This any boy for Demarco now.
Did Rvssian authorize bunks up yet?
Some boy too bad mind in the music. Yo, some of them forget banned.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, The Pull Up. And listen, this gentleman here, he was here probably last month, right before Sting, and now he's back here live in the building again to talk to us what happened at Sting and what's going on right now. You know we have in the building today, we have Fully Bad in the building today. What's going on, big
Yeah, I know
boss?
my father.
You're good?
Yeah, man. Greatness,
Welcome
man.
back
Is
again.
it?
Now listen, third time live in the
A
person.
history. A history, my father. Believe no, man.
You're almost like my new co-host right now. You're the co-host of the
That
show.
is it. But just I tell speaker, say, me deserve an award, you know?
Come on, listen, you're the co-host. So next time you come, we're not even going to talk about your career. We're just going to talk people's business. All right? Because you're the new co-host.
Cool,
so then that's what we're doing next.
Fully.
Welcome back to the city. How's the city treating you? I know outside's cool, you know, boss.
Freezing, my father. You know, say I'll to them I catch frostbite.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and them a bun me, I'll make them feel freeze up. You know?
Yeah. What's cold outside?
But we enjoy the place same way as it.
The place loves you because it seems like you have a real special relationship with Canada.
No, like about that still in my J. Yeah, man, me I get some different love over here, so people, them can't tire that Fully Bad.
No, man. And the thing with it, every time you forward back, you're at a different stage in your career. It's 5% more, 10% more. It keeps growing.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
We are putting in the work and make sure, say, we are the right thing at all times, you know?
For sure.
Yeah, man, so I just that my J fully focused, you know?
100%. Let's clear up Sting here because Sting was late last year.
Yeah.
We're in 2024 now, but there's a couple of things I just want to clear up with Sting itself.
Yeah.
First thing, when did you know officially Demarco was no longer coming to Sting?
Well, on the media, we see everything in there, you see me. We see my Ling back and forth, and you don't know me talk to Ling them, and them tell me, say, yo, him not book your seed. Yeah. So, I Ling me talk to, man.
And then how close was it to actually the day of Sting that you know, okay, this is a no-go, this is just going to be you and Coyote?
Yeah, one time, I'm going to meet with Ling. You see me? Because through them I can forward that Sting, and me want war. You know, I decide, say, yo, I need a duppy 2023.
Yeah.
Because I did perform 2020 you see me? And we shake up the place. But nobody never want to war me them time there. Everybody are back down. But Demarco make enough man feel like, say, yo, them for brave up and, you see me? Yeah, man, so. That go on my father, man, you see it.
Cool. The day of Sting now, how did you prepare? What was your mind, the thoughts in your mind say, okay, this is the day of Sting, especially back at Jam World, because when you performed last year, it wasn't at Jam World.
No.
Yeah. Now you got to Portmore, because I know you used to go to a school in Portmore one time too.
Waterford, aye.
All right then. So then this is basically your people them is back here now. So what was that thought like now? Say, bam, I'm going to Jam World to go perform now.
The confidence I as it. Because I say, yo, Waterford High School. All of my friends them from school days, most of them live at Portmore, you see me? Most of them run at that area there. Some run there, so some up there, so everywhere. Well, some of them there, them are say Fully Bad and them are spread the word. So we are conquer the thing more powerful, you see it? Yeah, because them believe in I thing from, no, most of them did believe in I thing still. No, did some in a two already still, but you have a thing them growth. You see me? And once you work and you know where you want, you see me, you're going to get better at what you do, you see me?
100%. And when it comes to war, everybody knows war is a thing that you've been doing.
Yeah, man, you see, you pray. Yeah, so, I just a normal pray. Me I say, yo, mob dead as thing.
Yeah.
you know. I just that in I made him dead as thing cause him probably not know. Support more on my ground. Him not know that you see it. Yeah, but fans out there know what I go on and know say yo from school there's a dog a do him thing, man. Waterford down.
From those
Westchester, I have a place named Westchester. Usually live around the hour night time to see him way. Passage Fort.
Yeah.
So me usually walk from this I go school. You see me? Yeah, man, so.
So that was almost like your homecoming, like Simia.
Fully.
Big.
That is it.
In the venue now, did you see Coyote backstage or anything, or you didn't see him till you got on stage?
Yeah, me didn't know him there still. You see it, cause me I circle the whole place one night time.
Yeah.
Mother say, yo, them have to see me. You know? And quail up in them shell. You know them way there, so me circle one night too, on a few time on stage on. Till we there black stage and yo, they're on there and till one night time me I drop asleep, you know.
Because remember, you did the wire is daylight, you know. This is like 6 in the morning you're wiring, you know, boss.
Me there on there and place bored, like, you know, on a sting that, you see it. And we there on there going to hold it off still and till we say, yo, I could step round there go see, I went on my time. And go around there and I say, on my time, I see it. So, Pablo IG must go on after, you know. So after Pablo IG done perform, G them I say, yo, I could circle black car. You look like say, yo, I done the show I done, cause we say, be a crowd that move. Me I said, this no look right. Everybody a cut, half a sting cut, you know. I'm going to show you what I go on.
Yeah.
Most of them run back. You see it?
I seen some of the crowd running back to the front here.
All right. You know, when them really start to run back, but we soon get that still. All right. So we circle black around there and we say, rough cut a pack up. And the show are done.
Yeah.
And mama go look around and see darkness that a Kamala. Or such a name, you see it. She look around and see darkness and say, officer, one more. Sometimes them plug out, you know, my father. Plug out, you know. Chip, you know, me G. Cause me and say, what this? You see me?
You know when you could see the finish line? And it's just almost like you're going to drop down before you reach the finish line?
Yeah.
That's like what it was like, boss. I've been building up to this thing. Just make the thing go on.
That is it.
Yeah.
So I just walk out on the stage. I walk out, I see play start lift up. You see me? Yeah, man. So I just start shake down the place like my job few song. The signature, them brother, bad cousin, but they know that song, them know me, you see me? I have them there, you see it? So, through me see it a lock off, me I say, look like the clash now, but I go on. I mean, I hear them a big it up for a night, so me I praise a Coyote now there. You see me? And the clash now go on. Right, as I stay so and shake the place and I move, I hear see a forward out. I see the place lift up.
Yeah. Because he came up with the
more
alien.
People start run back now, you know.
Aye.
Because them come to see clash and them say, yeah, the clash are gone.
Yeah.
So more people start run back. And biggest forward that you walk out, you know. Appearance better than the artist.
You think he easy, boss?
So, me I show you something, my boss. Because you know me a teacher and I war, don't you watch your war.
100%.
You see me I school him.
Talk to me.
Alright then, Zane. Remember I run out in and I make up be nice, you know. Me say, brother, calm down. We not hear you.
Yes.
Him not listen to me, is it? Hear that fly overhead. I go through 1 year and go through the other. You see me? Me I teach him and him not learn. So him still relax. When you are man, calm and easy, so man. You know when you start act up yourself, when you see a crowd start lift up your car and get them to a bad move, you know?
Them.
Yeah.
Because you could see, as you said, when he came out with the alien head and the jacket and everything, it's like, okay,
Bad.
something's happening here. You see me? But once it
I'm
got
glad when I see forward out.
because listen, as a warrior, you don't want a weak fence to war with. You want somebody that's gonna give you competition.
That's why I say calm down. Remember, me never have to say that, you know. Me can't just make him go and join, you know. But me I say yo rare. Cause me I show you say yo relax, brother. Me go war and make the thing mad.
Yeah.
You see me? Cause me no want war with no fool. You see me? But you feel me and him the past thing. Cause me know him a bad artist. Him for just relax.
It's just he couldn't get his voice. Like I don't know if he was too hype or what it was, but his voice couldn't get to the crowd.
The voice weak. Probably if I that natural rhythm I play like, you know, beat, him could have, you know, but a bands, a rough cut, me a them god.
Yeah.
In time them see me as a young artist, them know say yo that you would have voice rough and him know if deal with the bands.
I seen you work with Rough Cut a couple times. Well,
Yo, I'm a favorite time.
You man a Rough Cut. I seen it a couple times.
Favorite time.
Yeah.
On stage I with rough cut.
Rough Cut.
Mad thing,
Yeah,
man.
Big up Drummy and
Yeah,
Nigel
man. Big up the
Steflon,
whole of them, man. You see it?
Yeah. I mean, okay, bam. So then now
Yeah.
you went, because it was 2 songs you guys did each verse? All right, did it. And then now, remember, I'm watching from a video, so I could see what's going on behind you, you know.
Me I say what I go on to me say Mike again.
Okay, so you cut all of this.
Alright, remember so when Honormasity walk out, you know, and my Mike him a come off, you know. I'm a go so.
Yeah.
But me not to meds him still. I Coyote me a meds.
Yeah.
You notice me walk ground, that's why I come back. Me a listen him. Cause in a war you have to listen.
Of course.
What him a go say? Cause him want a song me a for my father. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Gunman out come off a road. Fort gentleman beat him with a half a board. Bad from school days. Me a go Waterford. And bag of sick me. You see me? Me not say nothing yet, my father. Cause I remember my school there, that's a Waterford.
So I said, this is like you're coming home on the big stage.
And Fort gentleman them beat him with half a board pan the lane. So them look for something there, you see it. You know? So we not get this yet. We not get in the war yet. Me just jump out. Me say head back skin out like bitch on a back road. Them song there when me just a come out. Me a show you say, me not have to use the new Fully Bad and kill you. Me start out all. I show you say Bill. You see me? Rifle, tall like Stonewall, end boy life like foot. Them song there when me just a come out, my father.
You came
them
poised
song
and ready to go.
Me I show you say youth relax. A whole song me can use kill him. Me not have to go in a yell and burn it. You see it? And start out the war, so what? Honormasity. Guy war go on good, you know. Though.
100%.
Yeah, but some setup thing go on, isn't it?
But weren't you aware that he could have possibly come out, or there was some sort of vibes where, okay, yeah, he won last year. So then what was the issue? Because again, you guys are from the same community, so you must have known something to do with something.
Leng them come to me with it, you know. I say, yo, you, Coyote and Honormasity. We reason about that and we show him say, yo, he Gina 15, that's how you see me. If I me and Kyodi a war, me and him a war. You see me? Yes, sir. We end up in a meeting, we get paid for war, Kyodi. We never get paid for war, Honormasity. My career is a joke thing. Like go around and clash out my career, so you see me? So, but frighten me see that get my car forward out, you see it? Me I say, what this year in the morning, yeah? Me did make a talk to Leng still. Me did tell him, say, Jenna, if nobody forward out on my stage when I forward there, place at Europe. Me did say it, you see me? Yeah. But
So you knew that there was some form of something. So it's like when you turned around now and really seen it, then you know, okay, it's like it looked like it. At first you did see him, but like the second time now, it's like, hold on, what's really happening here? That's almost like what it looked like to me there.
Because Honormasity I'm a dog, you know. Coyote too. You see me?
Yeah.
Kyodi. Me just wake up and see song a drop of this. Me don't know me and them nothing. None of them. But I feel great. I feel proud that show say yo. I hear the dog, I hear the G, I hear the man bro G that's going to work.
Mm-hmm.
Cause if everybody are fire, then what with us up?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Of course.
Bad. You see it? Yeah, man.
Listen. And then it's like, I want you to tell me what made you actually, was it swing after him or you push? What actually made you physically get into a thing with Honormasity?
No, cause remember some of reply to Coyote, you know, cause Coyote that they reply to me. So when me if you answer back now, the dog interrupt me. So me I say, oh brother, what go on? And I touch the dog, I say, what go on? The dog ease me off and me react. You see me? That's that go on.
Because again, as I said, it seemed like to me, from looking from the outside, it's like, when you're right at the verge of really getting the break that you want, and there's so many little stumbling blocks, it almost seemed like it frustrated you.
Yeah, cause I remember say I'm my big break that you know, my morning, you know. You see it? My time. You see it, pray? My duppy. You see it? Yeah, so I don't know. You see it? I just one of them things they and I set up and you up man gone and you don't know. The fans them. I have to apologize to my fans them, you see it? Cause never really want them see me in them dark actions. Although we know we're bad, we not have to approve ourselves, you see me?
Dark, but as an artist, you don't want to bring this into a physical realm where, because remember, when it comes to actually fighting on a stage, these things last in people's memory forever.
Yeah, because history, you know. What Pablo said, what may happen, can't robot. You see it? So,
can't robot again.
Yeah, so
you know what I mean?
You don't know, you up man gone and you don't know move on now. We are focused right now. You know, because greater things ahead, you know, you see it, you notice. We texting. You see me? I one winner down.
As the most talked about breakout artists, yes, you and Kyopatan is what the people them
True.
are talking about.
Never lie.
You know what I mean?
Because King Shango do it, you know. They're on them, man. Remember me I tell us asleep, I kill me around the one at a time. I wake when Shango a perform. Energy. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, what with Sting, if people come to see war.
Of course.
And it look like, say, the whole promotion as Sting did that doubt the war, because now get the right promotion. Me not see no big plaque put up in the road with the and them something there. And I war them come to see.
Sting is a war ground. That's what we know. Okay, yeah, we know show performance and all that. That's cool. But that's the war ground.
Yeah, and I'm glad when you go back to Jamaica, I say, yo, my gym forgot them place there. Oh, fuck.
Listen, you know how many times you probably watch it on a DVD or VHS and
over
see
the years,
Jam
man.
World.
I said, time
you see the big Jam World on the bottom of the stage here.
And when I go to school, I go over there to see when you Jam World.
Yeah.
When nothing I keep. You see me?
Until you ended up on the big stage.
Till we end up and close the big stage.
Yeah.
Now look a boy can't close thing.
What do you think there?
No joke.
Would you do a rematch with Coyote?
With Coyote?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, long as them are the right thing. Because I go and show what they, you know, this. Enough of them not understand, you know, you see it. Some man just now, well, no meds my father. Me sit down and meds, I say, yo, probably me can buy a house out of this thing, you know. You see me? Some man sit down and meds, I say, yo, me don't know where them are meds still, but them are meds low. When me are meds high. Because me kill your sting, right? Me make it up your sting. That's your ask for a rematch. Cause me never ask for a rematch. I them a link for a rematch. You see me? Fans them not ask for a rematch. Cause if you go in the media and check the statistic, I fully bad. Everybody has say you're fully bad. All when such man a push them up and I said this and I said that, everybody had this him. I say I want fully bad. Yeah, artist dead ass thing, you see me? Yeah, so them little thing there, you see it.
So a rematch could be in the works or whatever the case.
Yeah,
You're not opposed to that.
People are link me overseas, you know. Would I do a rematch, you know? But big food have to run. You see me, piece of food have to run. I will know say you're rare. Me nice and the artist nice. Cause we go show over there, me just pass through for sing 2 songs. Whole a vibe with my fans them. Like, me never go on a war vibe neither. I go for sing like some nice song or some girl tune and couple like bad man song them fine I war, you see it. I show them some me is a performer. You see me? I'm reach. The promoter asked me if I'm up for a rematch, you see it.
Same time?
Yeah, as I reach I show. You see it?
Yeah.
Me I said, no, I'm a father. January 1st, me I tell about, you know, New Year just kick off, you know.
Yeah.
Me I tell the general, because a general, you see it. Me I tell the G, he said, no, father. You see me, no forward out for that. Some man I look energy for G and them dead as thing. You know this thing done. I who you see, when they interview them. Fully bad, man. You see me? Every media, everybody want to see me because me and Sting winner. If it was him, you would have seen him all over the media, don't. Me not see him nowhere. But I not like me, I disrespect the dog thing or nothing, but me just attack facts. I can't tell a lie.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man.
Another big thing I've seen in your career is like you actually, because you've been doing your things, but now you seem like you linked up with a good management now. Not change. Did you link up with Not Change before Sting or right after Sting?
You know what I said? Before Sting,
Yeah.
close to Sting. You see it? And a good youth them, you see it? Good team. So I just, them team upgrade response to me, you see me? Because it's a team upgrade. Him a the engineer, you see me? Him a make the riddim them to same way. You see it? Non-change see work and rate the work and join the team as a family, you see me? And all of we are work together right now. One family. You see it? And the thing I work is a great look right now. The team powerful. You see me? Yeah, man.
A lot of good things we'll see in 2024.
Greatness, man.
Yeah.
And the collab with me and Demarco.
Yeah.
That forward any minute now.
Okay, because a lot of people, the trick with it is a lot of people, they like the war, but they could see that this was no, I'm dissing you because I don't like you. I'm dissing you because I don't like you. It was more of a respect thing. So they knew as soon as it was finished, that was the next thing they're asking for.
True.
When are we getting the fully bad in DeMarco collab? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Collab,
Yeah, man.
that's what they want. The fully bad DeMarco collab. When is it coming?
Any minute now.
Yeah.
Any minute now. Just make sure you subscribe, man. You can just see pop up on your phone any minute now. You see it? Yeah, it's in process.
That's what the people really want to see, because again, boss, it's been a while since I've seen people really cheering for somebody like, so okay, you know what? You were working with, some people are hot and all that, but it's been a while since I've seen somebody cheering for somebody, say, yo, we're bringing you through the gate.
Yeah. Because me and I give them years now. Years them see me in the road, see me. Yeah, from 1 pants and the 1 clocks and the 3 shirt, you see me? In the street every night with such man. You see me? From before that, from the clash thing, my out.
Yeah.
You see me? From annually clash, my out I do it. And, you know, when I start to roll with such man, you see me? I start in the road like more. Everywhere, you see me?
Is your trigger finger
I
and
show
your...
you a
Okay, talk to me. I got a question for you.
You see it? Cause if I real, you know, you see me, and the fans them see it. So why you feel them a push me so? Cause them sister you are years that you here do it and him talented and the world need to hear him. You see it, and them realize say who them think that push me or fight me. You see me? So that's how the buckle start. Them realize say who did that push me, but them think believe in me like that. I fight me down. You see me? Yeah, so them look at thing there and the fans them must say, yo, that you got great. Cause once you're great, them gonna fight you. You see me? Yeah, so I just say it forward from and you see it aside them say your time now and when the fans them say a year time and God say a year time, who can stop that, my G?
No one.
Nobody, nowhere. You understand? Is your pen and your trigger finger still itching right now in 2024?
Itching?
Itching.
What do you mean?
Still ready for McDoppia right now? You're trying to just make some good songs or you're still wanna clash? Where are you right now in your mind and in your career right now?
Well, we're just ready for anything, you know, my father.
Yeah.
Because me there focus on some good music right now at the moment. And if somebody flip right now at the moment, the good music get fucked.
Yeah.
You see it? Because I have to go deal with that. I have to fix that matter. So, you know? Yeah, me G. So, from my war already, you know?
Yeah.
We never back down still, you see it?
Because I remember you were shooting after a couple people. It's just the Demarco one really took off. But there's still some unfinished business out there right now still, you know. You know what I mean?
Yeah. True. So, what you call unfinished business? Call some name now.
You have to be calling the name because remember, you're the one that started it. So again, with enough artists that I've seen, you were kind of firing after them. Then the Demarco War came up, you dealt with that, and then now you're like doing more of your career, some good songs and stuff like that. But there's still some unfinished business still, you know.
Yeah, made chip and feel like for shoot.
You don't see how festive January is right now.
Me so I go on, man. Remember said my father, we set a trend, you know. We open me people them eyes, we open me dancehall artists them eyes and we show them say dog when you can't do it. Don't brave and quail up in your shell, dog. Show about. You see me? So me have to big up Demarco. Me this any boy for Demarco now.
No.
Right, any artist, anyone now no feel like no bad, that's this Demarco. And me I go show to no. Yeah? Hold it down, you see it, because when I go show to no physically.
Lyrically,
music, you see me? So, big up Demarco, because we set a chain. Because you notice artists who are war now, war upon the same rhythm. You see it?
Yeah.
And them things that we are talking about my father. More I youth them for forward out and do the same thing. You see me? Bring back the juggling because see a Rvssian secret and I say, yo, me a Japa juggling. You see
Dutty money.
Them things that my father, but me no know. We not look no credit still. So, Lord, that we need like bad I go there, so. You see me? Because we know we're great and we know the great things that we do. You see me? Big up Demarco.
You see the trick with it? The wars that passed, even the Vegas killer, the one that happening now, Steflon Jada, and then Valiant and Teejay. One thing you did that more than the whole of them, you had visuals for every song,
man.
you know, boss.
Yeah, cause
Every song had visuals.
because
every song.
that the song is bad, you know. But you see visual, make it 30 times better. Yeah, because when the see the grime in the song, your face expression, or your darker, you see me? Them thing the fans them loves to them look a thing there, and you know, garrison with the thugs them and with the prop gun them and you know, them love see them look or something there, you see it?
You're bringing the song to life
Reality,
now. You're
you know?
acting it out. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. So, visual, man.
Yeah.
Because when I drop audio, you notice it and get the views like where visual would I get. Because enough man as say, your game really changing, you know, God.
We're in a visual time
when I
right
drop
now.
audio from my Vivo, my fans, if you don't see audio drop from my Vivo, a producer leak it, when I release audio, visual, you see it.
leave the audio for your Spotify and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good question. I got a good question for you now, because again, a lot of people, you're talking about a lot of these wars are happening too fast. You know what I mean? Like somebody drop a song today, by tomorrow morning or this evening, they're dropping something. You know that went through that war and you guys were dropping songs right away. Do you think it's good to drop songs so quickly and let basically the internet dictate to you, or you as an artist should really dictate and take your time to sort out your song? What do you find?
Well, if you notice, some of the wire them different. Yeah, there's difference to the wire them, is it? More, let's say a wire jump off, a man throw what they hear, so that the man there, that the man there, flood the whole internet. 2-3 months before that, the man they come back and reply. I say, I just reply. Fuck with that. Different thing now. You see me? Yeah, so the music nice, my father. The war thing nice. Alright, now I miss the war. Simple as I say me, I say. Miss the war nice. You see me? Yeah, cause brain I get exercise. You see me? Cause me I show you I pray. We good enough. Cause when you stay and drop a song to them, the fans them I say, yo, this bad. Them can't wait for you when another artist are forward with. When I take all 2 days, them lose interest.
So you think it's really, war needs to really move that fast right now, where it's more a 24-hour turnaround, you have to answer in that 24 hours? That's how quick the thing is right now?
Yeah, cause remember say we set that trend there to God. Yeah, who do that? We set that trend there to my father, man. And now, you have your studio, me have my studio. As your voice, I don't feel like for voice, my voice.
Yeah.
Don't rush your wire. That we know about the wire. Don't rush it. You see me? But make sure you're on time. Because if that the man that take 24 hours for reply, you can take 26 hours, you know.
You have to play within that.
Yeah, because fans them attack. I say, yo, the dog quick on you.
Box.
You see it? And them look at thing there, so. I remember say me I do visual, so me I do more work. Me tired. I'll 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Just done voice. A video I shoot in the morning, the same time, anywhere with them.
But if the war is so quick, could you really get the best out of you if the war is so quick? Because sometimes, even if you said, okay, a song came out on Monday, and you have 72 hours, okay, 3 days, you might record the first one, you did like, I'm going to do it back or whatsoever. Or do you just think it's just whatever comes to mind is what comes to mind, and this is what we're running with? There's no time to really fix back and all of these things here now.
For you know music, my father. You see me? Cause when an artist drop a this song for me, I listen it all 30 times to make sure I say me a forward 30 times harder. You see me? Yeah, man. So when I listen to all the first verse, I make sure I make my first verse harder than that. I make sure of that. And the punch I feel harder than that. You see me? Like as me chat the first 2 bar, people want to pull up the song. I find you hear the intro. Yeah, get up on my bumbo clag on that. Yeah. Them thing that grab your fans them, you see it? So, yeah, man. What you will say?
I'm not, to tell you the truth, I'm not convinced on if you need more time or if it needs to be done right away.
Yeah, that
I'm not really
proves
convinced.
That proves say your body, you know. That's say you prove your strength, your
right
lyrical
now.
skill, you know.
Right now.
Your writing skill, you know. Or quick your brain is, you know. You see me? And how much lyrics store up around there, you know. At them time there, what day ya? Me know my body, you know. But you see now why my father.
Yeah.
Them time I know I said no boy can't step to me. Me know I said no boy, nobody can step to me. Cause me I say yo. Something when me I say yo. A natural thing still, you know, but more while me say some things, I surprise all myself too.
So that sharpens you and keeps you on your toes. And move Fast.
Yeah, and that I push me for go harder. Like when me I come with that something more it feel rough and what me saying at that. You know? And I think with me too when me I war, me stick name pa you too. Them look a thing there as it. I will heap a crafty thing, man.
You've been doing this a long time. Listen, I tell people, and it's known in
Me
the
a battle,
industry.
you know.
What notice? Merciless, Alkaline.
Yeah.
There's a couple of you guys in here, and I know you guys are lyrical people. Even though you guys might not be related, it's just a last name thing. But that's what the Barclays bring to the game. You understand?
No,
Barclays.
Joe.
Yes,
I play with the battle them in the
Yeah.
game, man. Yeah, man. I fear the battle them, you see it? No joke.
crazy. Last thing I'm going to ask you about the war is some other stuff I want to get you to. You see right now, last week, because the war is moving so quick that we're into a next war this week again. Last week, Jada Kingdom, Steflon Don.
Yeah.
But this was different now. This was actually two women in a war. Do you feel that women could war? Or you prefer they just stay one side and don't really make it so grimy? Demand them to war? What's your thoughts on women warring?
Them for war. Cause me like that a go on one day, what's my name called? You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me like the war, man. Me love the two of them. Me love uno. Me love uno like life. Jada Kingdom and Steflon Don. Me love uno. You see me?
So you don't have a problem with women in the war?
No. Me don't have a problem with that. Why them not for war? Them have to defend them thing to do. Are you man them, man? And them a chat some blood classic. Me have to say, no. You know?
Yeah.
Me listen to them war, man. You know? Me listen to them a go on, you know?
Yeah.
Big them up,
big,
man.
big war. And then now, as I said, this week, we're on to TJ and Valiant. All right?
Yeah.
Do you have a dog in that race here? Are you really watching that? Do you really care who wins, or you just kick back seeing what's happening?
Well, me just watch what go on, you know. I took bad artists them. You see me? Two big artists them. And me like what go on for dancehall. You see me? Me like what them a do. Like me I show you say, yo, we need this dancehall, need this part of our culture. You see me? So me like what go on. Me love the look, we love war.
Dancehall is active. Yeah.
That is it. As the war they done one more for kick
Listen,
off.
you're talking about that tonight. I was just watching something on stage with Lady Gangster and Amari and RT Boss. They were fighting, and it's like, boss, I don't know what is going on in January. January is right. When we're done, go on your phone and you'll see what I'm talking. I almost guarantee you the first post you're gonna see is that what happened on stage. Guarantee you. The place is wild right now, boss. January is active.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Cool, man.
Big there.
Yeah.
Did Rvssian authorize bunks up yet?
No.
Yeah.
You know, authorize, you know. But we authorize it still, you see it, it a go on. Fans them authorize it, it a go on. It a play. Me see numbers are run up to. It's a good look, you know. Yeah, man, big up Rvssian, man. When I go at them in a game, you see it. Yeah, man, no joke, man. I love to work with Rvssian one day, official. You see me? Yes, so we are work towards that.
You know what it is? Nowadays, remember one time there was a thing called mixtapes where you're going on any rhythm whatsoever and putting out a project. You weren't selling it, you're just putting it out. Now, this is basically what you're doing right now.
True.
Okay, Rvssian didn't authorize it, so I'm just going to use the rhythm and show him what I could do.
True.
And hopefully down the road somewhere, we could connect. You know what I mean?
No joke. That is it, you see me? I code, man.
Yeah. Just so.
Just so.
Do you like even that? Because there's Dutty Money Riddim. I know Liquid is building back the 12 gauge. I know Renegade from RDX, he's bringing back the LOL. The drum line just came back. That was a Black Shiny them. How do you feel about these rhythms now coming back in 2024 right now?
I feel so fully bad for the fan all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we feel the fan all of them, man. Because I remember say we start all of this, you know. And we start all like before that, I can't lie. God boss made, man. The fans them see it to down. Them for just send the rhythm them come give, man. Cause I remember so we name a buzz to, you know. I'm gonna sing fucker song. Be a bad song, I sing. You see it? I like the look still. A dancehall, you know. Dancehall nice, you know. And the place nice up for one day. And I saw a place where I run. You see me? I just one thing, some boy too bad mind in the music. Yo, some of them forget ban. Like, you know, for come out, come say nothing about no artist, nothing about dancehall. We don't need no opinion. Fuck what no want to say. You see me? Yeah, man. Brawling, man. Some of them forget push out, I think, man. Because they mouth hold down enough youth. A youth, we all have boss and a man come out, come say something and fuck up all youth, them career. You know them go here, they chat too much. Lift up.
One time.
Fully.
Listen, so you're the juggling, you're nice. Because the thing with it, I know you could do like the trap dance hall and you could do the traditional dance hall from time.
Yeah.
I know you could do this.
True.
You know what I mean? 'Cause I seen you and Beanie Man, you and Merciless, you and Ninja Man, all these doing it. So then now I remember I asked you if you like juggling, and your answer was a lot of people are afraid of juggling.
Yeah.
But you want the juggling to prove that you're bad on the rhythm because you have to go hard on the juggling rhythm.
You remember?
Of course. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, because enough artists, them have this little ego thing about them, you know? You may say that the man that depend on rhythm, and true, him have a hot song now, him a pray say him a go get that the man their strength if him vice pan the rhythm him depend. Girl style that. You see me? I rate that. You see me? That shows say yo, you're afraid of that the man there too. Rhythm, brother. Voice song and sings. Yeah, promote him song. Promote your thing, bro. A man a focus on film thing.
Yeah.
And what if a man song one hit? What that have to do with you? You're bad mind and corrupt. Or why you alone for have it song? I don't like them meds G.
The culture wasn't based on singles. The culture was based on juggling.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And again, remember, a lot of times if, say, you get the hit on the rhythm, you're going to bring along other songs on the rhythm too, you know.
All right. Before social media start, bust be an artist, you know. A juggling usually bust artist.
100%.
Yeah. I like now, through the thing change right now. We're not too frightened for juggling, but we need it. Because through, we have social media platform there where we can bust some music them. Artists not too frightened for producer like that. You see me? Because we can get a bad rhythm and find a bad song, but we need them same way. Because, you see me, some of them know the business like that. And right now, if me and a couple man connect right now, like, if me all Russian connect certain way right now, I know see a history. Macan them man there, you see me? Yeah man, them for send somebody them come man. Yeah. Show them say our history. We can't create history boy, you see me, because we're bad. Yeah.
You know what I liked? One of your songs that you came out with just at the beginning of the month. Championship. All right?
Yeah.
Talk to me about that song there, because that there, it seems like you really sat down and thought about the song, and this is what I want to say, especially coming out from Sting.
Yeah, because when Sting finish, you know, he drop a song in the morning. Yeah, I never want to drop it still, but I just want to drop something. So it's set for release from the night when I Sting. So in the morning it just drop. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, but when that drop, you just go and do your thing till me there, I go and meds yourself. Fans them say, yo, we need something here now. Go in the studio, sing about the whole happenings. You see me? Sing about what go on a Sting. You see it? Some days I say, yo, find one of them bad reality tune there. You see me? And me and meds say, yo, yeah, more while we take people advice on them way, but me I say, yo, just sing where you feel. You see me? Yeah, man, so. No rhythm, nothing. I just go studio and tell team upgrade, lift up something. And if I find a rhythm, I just go in my boot and sing what the I made my father.
You could see that. 100% you could see
that. Yeah, you see me? I mean? So me I say greatness in a way. No feelings no in this. Them a gang up and a fight, but we still a win. Cause them a gang up and a fight the thing, and we still a win. You see me? History we create could the flame when me bring a sting. Cause history me create over there, a fire we bring over there. You see me? Put respect for my name. All a we a king.
Yeah.
You see it? Championship. You know? Straight
Bad,
from the
sir.
brain, my father. And,
Seen
you
with
know?
the boxing and your training and, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
You
all
felt
a
like
we a-
Rocky. You know what I mean? Like, we're going to get this done right
Cool,
here.
nah, man.
You understand?
And when I pray the thing, and I just my neck alone medal they run, I all away. Say all away a champion, same way.
Championship.
You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Big right there.
Mm-hmm.
You're in the studio right now.
Yeah.
You're in Canada. We're not doing this virtual. What are you doing up here right now? Because I know in March, you have like a 10-city Canadian tour.
Yeah.
That's how go on?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, the whole place my father, man. Because alright, you see me? Pray this my journey, you see it. And by we shake down Sting, you know. You know, say after Sting, I just greatness after that. Because we do the right thing down. Yeah, so I'm not surprised. And the fans, I'm not surprised same way because them know say it a come. You see me? Yeah, man. So that tour is mad. And we have a couple more dates for job to same way.
Still, there's even more than what we see on the graphics already.
Yeah, man. You know? And US warm right now. You see me? Everything in process right now. Any moment now. UK as well. You see me? Championship, my father. Mad thing when I go down in the UK, you know. Mad thing when I drop a UK, man. Yo, the fan base na normal down there, my God.
Yeah.
UK people them need to see God right now. And US as well, you see me?
Right now.
Canada, my next yard, you know.
Oh, you don't have to tell me.
You know, I live here, I live at Jamaica down.
This is your third time live in the studio. You know?
No,
we
no,
did
my
one
father.
virtual and 3 live.
Yeah,
You understand?
that is it.
Yeah, man, 100%.
Yeah, man, I love Canada, man. Family them there. Enough of my friend them there too. Get them bus on there. Like live here now too. Same way.
I see you right now. You're rolling with Planky them right now. What are you doing up here right now? I
Yeah.
heard you previewing some stuff. Listen, I had to tell him we let up 3 times.
Yeah.
Right down to then, right back. Because your flow, your energy, your vibe, and like I told you last time when you were sitting in the chair too, I said, don't be afraid to experiment.
Yeah.
Right now, the people are working with you.
True.
They want you to give them different flows until they say, that's the one right there.
Yeah.
You understand?
True with that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So I just some new thing I find, you know. Some new style and I say, yo, Canada, I want to go shoot couple music videos. So I'm there. Nobody know what I'm there for. Them thing I tour start. But I work. You see me?
Grown work.
Because I'm gone 4 video shoot already.
Yeah.
Non-stop work, my father. Be a bomb for job. So we say we want the pretty light them and the whole city, the big building them, the snow, you know? That rich look.
The real experience,
So
the
we say,
real,
yo,
real.
I jump on the plane, you see me?
Yeah.
So I saw come reach, oh my God.
Man, you're working.
Yeah, man, non-stop, man.
Yeah.
When I had this working dancehall artist, man,
I could see that right now, boss. You know what I mean?
non-stop, my G. Me not sleep.
Yeah.
More while me not sleep, my G. Man, I just studio, I love the studio. Because I see studio, that's the history create before it go to the world.
You understand? You have to keep this in mind. You have to want this more than the way that they don't want you to have it. You understand? You have to want it more. So as long as you keep working more,
Yeah.
if they don't want you to have it 80%, you got to make sure you're always at 100%.
Fully 100.
You understand?
Yeah, no 100.
Yeah, man. Because you understand that this is probably coming in the game. You thought, okay, everybody's friends.
Yeah.
We're doing music. It's just a vibe, whatsoever. Then you learn quickly, so nothing no gossa, boss.
You see it? Never lie, my father.
Wow. Fully.
Yeah, bad. Greatness today, I know my general.
Fully.
You know, one call out me reach already.
One.
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 You see me, no one joke, my G. Believe no, man.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Leave some social contacts. Any big up, anything you want to say right now before I get you out of here. The floor is yours 100%.
Yeah, big up Non-Change Entertainment. You see me? Big up Bad Gang, Team Upgrade, Father Core, whole family, you see it? And big up Planky Dan, them, you hear that? Speaker them, Gallus them, you see me? Yeah, man, the whole IG them, gunman them, and the whole I dog them, you know, when I have to chat it already, you see it? Outside, man, you see me?
Outside.
Bad Gang, whole Jamaica, whole of my fans, yeah, Uptown! Cassava Peace, Kingston 8, Plum Lane, you see me? Casha Park. Yeah, man, Galchester. Yeah, I have to chat it, man, one Uptown.
Where can they catch you on the socials to check out your music, follow you and stuff like that?
Well, I fully bad music on all platforms. As I tell them already, if I type FU, you will see me pop up.
You're serious? Yo, listen,
man.
you're serious with that one there, you know. You know what I mean? And always remember, it's an ambitious grind.
That is it.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
It's an ambitious grind.
See, them my father, man.
It's an ambitious grind.
And grind ambitious. You see me? Believe.
Wally, believe, no?
Respect my general, man. You see it? Fully, you know.
Rum scope.
Yeah, man. Respect.
You see me?
That is it.
Bob, Blanky, big up yourself, see him where. You know what I mean? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, The Pull Up, and we are out.
Fully.
Bob.
Well.
Bob. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.